Okay, so welcome to this video on 2009 section B question 5 ordinary level. So it's transformation geometry. The figure shows the design of a play button for the DVD player. Draw the given design, okay, then locate the points A, A1, A2, A3, P. So I have the circle of A3, P, A2, okay, and I have A1, so of A1 here. So to do the given design, the first line is in 15. That's on the first line is in 15 and it's 40 high, okay, and then the second point is 50 millimeters over from this line. So I'm going to measure in 15 millimeters. I'm going to draw a light line here, down 20 and up 20. So that's the line there. Then I'm going to measure 50 millimeters and I'm going to connect them together. So from there to there, so from that line to there is 50 millimeters. Now, from point A to A1 is a translation. So that means all the points move upwards, the distance, and they move up at a distance of A to A1. So I'm going to move up my center point. Okay, the distance the center point moves is the same as A to A1. So I'm going to take my compass and set it to the distance of A to A1 and mark it there. So take the compass, set it at the distance of A to A1, okay, and bring it up, which is basically 120. So we're going to draw this up here. So radius remains the same. Oh, Jesus, hate that. I'll just move the visualizer. So radius remains the same. I'll rub that out later. Okay, line up from line up here. Okay, that the distance from there to there is 15. Okay, now we're going to measure down 20 and up 20. Now we're going to measure over 50 from the left. Okay, and that's the design done. Now, from point A1 to A2 is axial symmetry. So the image is going to flip over here and it's axial symmetry through the line L to L1. Okay, so we'll label these points B, C, D, and this is the center point. Alright, so compass on the line there L to L1, and we're going to swing our center point over to the other side, and we're going to extend our line all the way through here. So here's our new center point of the circle. So we're going to put our compass where the arc pierces the horizontal line, and we're going to draw in the circle. So there's it drawn in. Now to get point B, we're going to put our compass here. We're going to bring the nib over and swing B around until it's here. So here's point B. Now we know the distance between B and the line CD is 50, so we can measure over 50 here. So this is the going to be the line CD. Okay, we can do a light line up. We can heavy down 20 and go up 20. Now, there we can join them together. So that's C2, that's D2, and that's CP2. Now, A2 to A3 is central symmetry in the point P. Okay, so I'll move my visualizer down here. Okay, so I'm going to project the points through point P. There's transformation through point P. So I'm going to take my center point of symmetry. I'm going to draw a line through P. Okay, I'm going to put my compass on P, and I'm going to bring my nib to CP2 and swing it over, and it touches there on this line, and should touch there on the line. So that's CP3. I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to swing a circle here now with the radius CP to 3. So the center is at CP to 3 and it goes to A. Now we want to figure out where B is. So I'm going to take my set square, put my set square on B, draw a line through P. So I should put my compass on P, bring my nib to B, swing it around, and it should be touching on the line there. So there's B now. So that's B3. Now, the distance between B3 and CD should be 50. So I can just measure 50 along here. And heavy line up 20. And heavy line down 20 from the center. Join them together here. And that's the central symmetry done. Right, I'll pause, heavy the circles, and show you what it's like when it's done. Right, so there's the circles heavied in. So A to A1 was translation, so you just move it up. A1 to A2 was axial symmetry, so the image flips over an axis. So watch. Okay, I'll show you a little tip. So watch my hand there where the green mark is. As it flips over, see the way it remains closest to the axis. Alright then, central symmetry. Okay, it goes through a point, so it flips and then flips again. So it flips over to the point and then flips again. Right, cheers, thank you, bye bye.